Hello kids, good morning. How are you all doing today? I hope today also you all are doing great and having fun, isn't it? So very good. Welcome back to our class. And today I have come up with some shapes. In the last before class, maybe a week before, we had learnt about few shapes like square, rectangle, oval, etc. In today's class, little more. We will learn little more. Okay, I have come up with new shapes today, and here I am going to teach it one by one. Okay, see it carefully, observe, and also pronounce with me. Okay, little tougher pronunciation will be there. Okay, you must be able to pronounce with me. All right, very good. So here we have, see, it goes like this. It goes like this. Slant line, sleeping line, slant line, again sleeping line. Okay, before we had seen one shape which was similar to rectangle, isn't it? But rectangle was just like this straight, like this straight, and like this straight, like this straight. Okay, but here it is slanting, and also it has four sides. Four sides means this is one side, this is one side, that is sleeping line is one side, slanting line is one side, again sleeping line is one side, again slanting line one side. Totally we have four sides. Okay, this is not important for you all, but you should know the shape is parallelogram. It is parallelogram. Come on with me, parallelogram. It is parallelogram. What is the color in this? It is pink. Kids, listen, you just have to recognize the shape. That's it. Okay? It is parallelogram. What is it? Parallelogram. Once again, parallelogram. Very good. Okay? Whenever you see this, you should be able to recognize that this is parallelogram. Alright? Very good. So the next shape we have is, see here, it is one sleeping line, slant line, slant line, slant line, slant line. I will count, okay? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides, and so we call it as pentagon. What do we call? Pentagon. What do we call? Pentagon. Come on, repeat with me. It is pentagon. Alright? We call it as pentagon. If it has 5 sides, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, we call it as pentagon. Alright? Very good. And here we have this, which is in green color. It goes like this. A sleeping line, slant line, sleeping line, again slant line. This is called as trapezium. How do you pronounce? Trapezium. How do you say that? Trapezium. You just have to know what is it. You should be able to recognize. No need of like complete explanation. Okay? It is called as trapezium. Just see how it looks and be able to identify that it is trapezium. Okay? It is trapezium. Alright? Good. And here we have something similar like a flower. And this shape is called as rosette. The shape which looks like a flower. See here? It looks similar to a flower, right? If I trace, it is rosette. How do you say? It is rosette. It is rosette. Alright? Good. And the next one also is something similar to your oval shape, which looks like an egg. But this is not an oval shape. This is ellipse. How to say that? It is ellipse. Okay? It's just elongated circle. It is ellipse. How to say that? Come on. It is ellipse. Alright? Good. And the next one, which is similar to pentagon, but this is hexagon. Why do you call it hexagon? We call pentagon, which is 5 side. Here hexagon is 6 side. See, I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so called hexagon. How do you say? Hexagon. How do you say that? Come on, tell it with me. It is hexagon. Once again, you'll have to repeat. It is 6 side and so called hexagon. Okay? We'll see all of them once again. And this is ellipse. How do you say? It is ellipse. Okay? And the next one is rosette. Okay? What is it? Rosette. What is it? Rosette. Alright? And the next we have is trapezium. Trapezium. How do you say that? Trapezium. Alright? And the next one goes pentagon. What is it? Pentagon. How do you say that? Pentagon. And the last one is your parallelogram. So it is parallelogram. Alright? Come on, tell it. It is parallelogram. So today we have learned some different shapes. Here you don't have to remember everything and all the techniques. Just be able to recognize the name of the shape. Alright children? Very good. So again in the next class I'll be coming up with a new topic and let's learn something new. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Okay? Bye-bye.